So Solana, this just happened this morning. Some very bullish news on the price movement for Solana, and you can see over here it is up by 5.2% on the day as well. Now I have some big news about a new record that Solana has achieved, and also why Cathie Wood believes that Solana could potentially be better for Ethereum as well. And I'm going to be giving you all of this news. All I ask from you are two things, guys: smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for your daily crypto news. And so if we have a look at what Solana has recently done, you'll see over here that Solana's total value locked has shattered the previous decentralized exchange volume all-time high. November 2023 has seen over 4.2 billion in volume, which is well above the 2.9 billion recorded on the month of the FTX collapsed. And you can see over here on the monthly volume what has happened throughout the year. And to be honest with you, we have had some months where it's pretty much the same, for example for February and April, and we've had other months where it was a little bit higher in March and May. And then you can see the volume actually coming down from that July, and October was doing pretty well, but you can see that this month we have managed to basically almost double that compared to October. And so for this year, Solana has set a new record, and you'll see over here just 1 hour ago they also made another post where it says that the weekly DEX volume surpassed 3 billion for the first time. And so that's absolutely huge news because that is only 7 days. It would be good to see what the previous levels were as well to compare it. And so now, why is Cathie Wood bullish on Solana? Well, she says, and I quote over here, that Solana is doing a really good job. If you look at Ethereum, it was faster and cheaper than Bitcoin in the day. Solana is faster and more effective than Ethereum. And so basically what she's saying is that Bitcoin was obviously number one, and then when Ethereum came into it, they were the next game changer. However, now with Bitcoin and Ethereum having higher transaction fees and not as fast as these other altcoins, Solana is now taking place and is better than Ethereum. And what's good for us investors is that Solana is obviously way cheaper than Ethereum. And so yes, she is absolutely right when it comes to the timing, the speed and the cost effectiveness of Solana compared with Ethereum. And before we have a look at the price action for today, let's have a look at this piece of news. You can see over here that CFX Labs have said on Wednesday that it managed to raise $9.5 million to seed investments to expand its Solana blockchain based stablecoin payment and remittances network globally as well. And the reason why remittances are important is because they are one of the most compelling use cases for stablecoins, as transactions on the blockchain can settle almost instantly, offer lower fees and are open 24/7. Again, if we do pay attention to this word settlement and being able to make it in a very fast time is what is needed to be done as well. And of course we do want lower fees, we don't want extortionate amounts, and the fact that it is open 24/7 is the best because settlements can be made at any time. And it says here that the company will use the fresh investment to expand its network to more countries, aiming to reach 1.2 billion by 2024 Q2 according to the press release. And so guys, we only have roughly around about 7 months, so we'll have to see if they are able to reach that target. Now let's have a look at the price action for today. Now as you can see, we are currently trading at $60. We are up by 5.12% on the 1-day chart. And so what has happened this morning that we managed to reach $61.58. Now obviously we have come back down by $1, however it's doing pretty strong today. The volume is at $2.1 billion, which is still pretty good despite it being down by roughly under 10%. But if you have a look at that 7-day chart, look at that massive rally that we had from that $57 level all of the way to $61.57. I think that the next price target for us is for $63. I again don't want to see Solana going back down to $59 or $58. I want to see it staying strong at $60. And you can see over here right now in real time, it's just playing with the price by a couple of cents only. We had some massive moves today and somewhat nearing that 62-cent level, but Solana has been up massively. On the 1-month chart, we're up by 146%. So again, we may not see as big of a rally. We may just retrace back to that $59 to $58 level. But if we are able to stay at $60, I think that would be pretty good for Solana. Guys, if you want daily crypto coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.